Hi, I'm Yin Peng from Yinhomes, and today we're going to showcase a lovely, cozy TTDI bungalow that's been renovated with a practical layout in mind. Perfect for the Asian family. It is freehold in nature and has a land size of 5,400 square feet. All the bungalows on this row have approximately the same land size, which is ideal for the modern family that has 2 or 3 kids max, a pet, a helper, and the occasional visit from grandma and grandpa. What the modern family seeks for these days is just enough land for the kids to run around and for mom and dad to do a bit of entertaining, but not too large that maintenance becomes an uphill battle and also a costly one. With an asking price of 4.5 million for a well-kept bungalow in Taman Tun, I think it is a worthy consideration. If you're in a market for a landed property with just the right amount of space and is almost move-in condition, do come on this property tour with us. The garden in the front is wide and spacious, spanning over 30 feet in width and wraps around the entire bungalow. The car porch is 34 feet in length. You could easily park 4 cars tandem here. One of the things I like about this bungalow is the location. Because it doesn't face other bungalows, what you will find is there's ample parking space inside and outside. So the land plot size is 5,400 square feet with a built-up of approximately 3,500 square feet. It comes with 5+1 bedrooms and 6 baths. The bungalow is seated on Pinggir Zaaba TTDI. In the last 12 months, we have transacted over 6 homes on this row, including terraces and corners. And the winning factor for this row and key reasons why clients look for this row specifically is because it faces a residential main road, so it is always brightly lit, giving a sense of security when you are away or coming home late. There is also ample parking for friends and family who come to visit because there is a side road that allows for plenty of parking. The bungalow was renovated over 10 years ago, but it's extremely well kept that I think you could move right in. Let's check out the inside of this cozy bungalow. Check out the marble flooring that spans from the living to the dining, cooling the temperature of the home while giving it a classy finish. The windows are all extra large to have more natural light. But if you're looking for a modern concept, you could always upgrade these easily to the security mesh doors that are wall to ceiling. I love how the garden and the living are level, so you can achieve a seamless flow from space to space easily. The plaster ceilings are still in mint condition, so this means you could just redecorate with the lighting of your choice or keep it as it is. This feature is my favorite part of the house, and I reckon the highlight of this renovation. There are not 1, but 2 granny rooms downstairs complete with your own ensuites. You'll see that the rooms are large and comfortable. You could easily fit king-size beds in here. The owners have kept one as a study that overlooks the porch and garden, while the other is a guest room. This is a rare find, as most rooms downstairs are small, or they only have 1 granny room downstairs. While fancy renovations may be eye-catching and aesthetically pleasing, I find that after seeing so many homes throughout my real estate careers, the practical ones that are designed with the Asian family lifestyle in mind are the best and most value for money. A home, after all, should meet your needs first and aesthetics second. Stepping up is the dining and the kitchen. The split level layout was really popular in the 70s and 80s and early 90s because it provided a clear separation of space. The ceiling height here is 7.5 feet. The kitchen wall has been broken down, which gives an open concept. Another interesting renovation feature of the home is the extension here for a second dining area or entertainment zone. Come right here. There's also a storage room which is always handy. The floor-to-ceiling panel doors here again add additional light. The kitchen has plenty of wall cabinet space. All the 4 walls have cabinets and is very well maintained.
There is a breakfast baking island too, right at the center of the kitchen. This leads us to the wet kitchen, helpers' quarters, and a utilities area.
Come follow me as we head on to level 2. Maybe I've seen lots of basic bungalows in the area, and oftentimes the common area upstairs tends to be neglected. Here you have an extra large space that you could turn into a study, home gym, or TV den. All in all, encouraging lots of family time and activities together.
The balcony is extended and enlarged. It overlooks the garden.
The master bedroom is expansive, which is what I think you want these days. Here, the master bedroom has been extended because the original size is a little on the smaller side.
So now you have the super-sized master bedroom with the ensuite upgraded. If you can work with this space, I think you could move right in. There are 2 more rooms here which are sizable too. All in all, this is ideal for a small family that is looking for a bungalow with just enough land and a decent build-up for when family and friends come to visit. The multiple common areas allow the family to spend time together or hide away into their own private space to read, do work, or just enjoy some alone time. This bungalow has a north-south orientation, so you have a lot of natural ventilation if you open up your windows and the sliding doors. It's also about an 11 minutes walk to the shops in the Zaaba area where you have salons, laundromats, coffee shops, cafes, pharmacy, clinic, and even a vet. It's also walking distance to the mosque.
Now let's talk price. The Zaaba bungalows with a land area of 5,400 square feet are listed between 3.75 to 4.2 million. This is without renovation or renovations that are well over 20 years old. This bungalow is listed for 4.5 million. If you think the renovation meets your family's needs, then I think this just might be the home for you. If you're interested to take a look at the place, give us a call or drop us a text. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I'm Yin Peng from Yin Homes, always happy to show you the place. Bye!